Unboxing Dell's new 14 Plus and 16 series laptops, BenQ Zowie XL2586X Plus series monitor and more. This week in tech, the line between innovation and overkill gets blurrier than ever. From laptops that might just replace your desktop to washing machines smarter than your average smartphone, we are diving into the latest launches that will make you question, do we really need all these bells and whistles? *** Dell's Power Play 14 Plus and 16 series laptops ***. Dell just dropped not one, but two potential game changers, the Dell 14 Plus and 16 series. The 14 Plus boasts a 2-in-1 design that flips into a tablet, perfect for artists or anyone who hates keyboards. Yes, those people exist. Meanwhile, the 16 series goes all in on raw power with up to 64 GB of RAM, because who doesn't want to run 50 Chrome tabs simultaneously? But here's where it gets controversial. With prices creeping upward, are these laptops worth ditching your trusty old desktop? BenQ Zowie XL2586X Plus series, the gamer's dream, or nightmare? BenQ's new monitor promises 240 Hz refresh rates and 1 millisecond response time. Translation for non-gamers, it's ridiculously fast. But at what cost? This tech could bankrupt your average gamer, sparking the age-old debate. Can you truly call yourself a pro without it? Lumio Arc 5 and 7, lighting that learns you ***. Lumio's latest smart lights adapt to your daily routine. Cool, right? Until you realize they're watching your every move. Privacy concerns aside, they're a neat solution for lazy people who hate switching bulbs manually. Godrej AI washing machines, because your laundry needs therapy ***. Godrej unveiled washers that learn stain types and adjust cycles. Sounds futuristic, but will AI really save your favorite shirt from that mysterious red wine stain? Only time, and your clumsiness, will tell. LG QNED Evo and OLED Evo, the TV wars heat up ***. LG is doubling down on its QNED and OLED tech, claiming better contrast than ever. But in a market saturated with revolutionary screens, what does it take to stand out? Hint, it involves a lot of marketing jargon. Ambrane MagSurge 10,000 mAh power bank, charge everything, literally, ***. This power bank can juice up your phone, laptop, and possibly your neighbor's lawn mower. Exaggeration aside, its versatility is impressive, but who needs this much power on the go? VGuard Airwiz fans, the silent revolution ***. VGuard's BLDC fans promise 30% more airflow with zero noise. A blessing for noisy Indian summers, but at a premium price. Worth it, or just a fancy fan trap? Eveready hybrid torch, the torch that refuses to die ***. Eveready's 2-in-1 torch uses both batteries and solar power. Eco-friendly? Yes. Over-engineered for a flashlight? Maybe. But hey, who doesn't love a gadget that laughs at dead batteries? Oppo and Hasselblad, a partnership that raises more questions ***. Oppo extended its deal with Hasselblad, promising professional-grade camera tech. But can a smartphone truly compete with a DSLR? The answer lies somewhere between marketing magic and your wallet screams. So, which of these gadgets is a genius move, and which is just tech for tech's sake? Let us know in the comments, and don't hold back.